Mail call today. I think I know what it is. From one of my subscribers in British Columbia. He's got his own YouTube channel as well. I'll post a link in the description, just in case you want to see what he's doing out there. He's figured out how to mine fine gold from one of the rivers in the Caribou. And yes, look at that. I got a sticker. Look at these little shovels. They're so bright and shiny. Does that look like miner shovels to you? Okay, so we got some instructions. There's a couple of key highlights to the instructions. The material should be finer than 20 mesh. So run it through a classifier. It's really built as a recirculating system. So as the water runs down the sluice into a reservoir, it can be pumped back up to the top of the sluice. To do that, they recommend a 1,000 gallon per hour, 12 volt DC pump. I don't have such a pump on hand, so I will MacGyver something using my house's water, and I won't recirculate at this time. 3/4 inch hose attachment, V riffles, deeper riffle, little circle things. A lot of people seem to fancy that. It's been interesting to try it out. And a bag of pay dirt. It says minimum 1 gram of flour gold. Try out your panning skills. There ought to be some silver in the back of my saw from cutting. We'll use the poly spoon. That should be lovely stuff. And we'll classify, get rid of the bigger rocks. Let's see what we got. That's not bad. We'll let the sluice do the rest. Here's my setup. I have it resting on a little wooden bench. The metal at the top bungeed down so the weight of the hose doesn't pull it off. I have it supported with a little flower pot halfway down, just so there's no droop in the sluice with the weight of the water. I can adjust the water flow with a little valve here, and it descends into a gold pan. But I think I have it set up properly. It's a bit aggressive, but it seems to be that's what this sluice wants. Now I'll let it run to clean out any black sand. Which is running now for about 10 minutes. I don't think we're losing much. Well, I do see right there one piece that snuck its way out. You see that most of the heavies are caught up in the top end, which is a good thing. Because this is my first attempt, I'm not sure the best way to clean out the sluice. What I'm going to try is lifting it up with the water on, and hopefully that flushes out the silver. Start with a clean pan again. Those traps are grabby. Second cleaning attempt. Just gonna try to use the hose and move the heavier material down the sluice. And try heavier water pressure. Shows how grabby those things are. It's actually quite a bit of silver. I wouldn't try this method with gold. This gold is just too expensive to lose. I'll continue to clean it out. We'll see what we got. Pretty clean. And there's my silver, pretty clean. Ready to be snuffled up. Well, if you can capture silver like that, you can get fine gold. .68 troy ounces. And another 0.28. Not quite a troy ounce, 0.96 total. That'll be a combination of cobalt, silver, and arsenic. Ready for melting, and in the melt, the arsenic will burn off. Well, thank you so much for watching. We'll sluice the gold next.